In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stylish text masks in Wix Studio. We will be working directly inside the Wix Studio editor. And the process is simple once you know where everything is. Text masks are a great way to make headings stand out because they let you fill your text with visuals like photos, videos, or gradients instead of using a standard solid color. This can instantly give your design a more modern and polished look. To get started, open your project in the Wix Studio editor. Once you are inside the editor, go over to the left panel and click the Add Elements icon, which is the plus button. This is where you will find all the visual elements you can place on your page. From there, hover over text and select Text Mask. You will then see a selection of curated design templates. Choose one that fits the style you are going for and drag it onto your canvas. Once the text mask is on your page, click the element on the canvas and select Change Text. This is where you can replace the default wording with your own heading or copy. Keep your text clear and intentional, especially if this is going to be a main title or hero section element. After entering your text, keep the element selected and open the inspector panel on the right side. Under the Text tab, you can refine the appearance of your text. This includes adjusting the font, size, alignment, and spacing. These settings are important because the readability and overall visual impact of the mask depend a lot on the typography you choose. Take a moment here to make sure the text feels balanced within your layout and matches the rest of your site design. Next, select the text mask again and go to the inspector panel if it isn't already open. This time, switch to the Design tab and find the Fill section. Here, you can define what appears inside the text itself. Choose Media, then click Change Media to select a video or photo from the Media Manager. Or upload your own file if you want something custom. If you prefer a more graphic style, you can choose Gradient instead and customize a linear, radial, conic, or fluid gradient depending on the effect you want to create. For an extra artistic touch, you can also add a color overlay to your media. Still inside the Design tab, adjust the blend mode and opacity until you get the look you want. This is especially useful if you want the text mask to better match your brand colors or sit more smoothly within the rest of the page. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.